Got all the pumpkins out of the storage area, and now we're working on the tombstones and basically everything else that's on top of the panels. Well, we got a lot done. Let me see what my watch says. Yeah, it's 84, but you know, when you're working with those black painted panels in the hot sun and humidity because it's about to rain, then it's hot. But anyhow, nothing is in our way of starting those panels. Yeah, we got the shutters up there, it's fine. Or whatever you call that. It's the room divider thingy.
It's like a weird carrying shoe.
And these guys are fine. A lot of them are electronics, like those, so they need to stay inside. But we put quite a few things out here. We got all the pumpkins, all the tombstones, all the skeletons. They're holding up that foam stuff. You know how foam likes to misbehave. And for now, these are just stacked right here. These are the panels that don't have anything on them. And they weren't finished, but they were just extras, you know, have a lot of cuts in them, corners missing, stuff like that, so, yas. I actually didn't do anything on the bridge today. We'll save that for the next time, because we've got to do some cutting, got to get the rope to attach these, probably going to sand all those rough holes on there, you know how it is. But the yard's looking like there's not too much work. Oh wait, except for all that. Alrighty. Hard work, huh? Especially in the heat. Woo-wee, it's hot, hot, hot. Okay, that's it for today. Woohoo!